MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
It's hard to believe 11 months have gone by in our 2018 Mazda 6. The nearly 19,500 miles that have passed under the wheels is proof this sporty sedan is a big hit around here. The turbocharged SKYACTIV-G I-4 is always ready to produce the 227 horsepower that's effortlessly controlled by the 6-speed automatic. The combination makes every time behind the wheel something to look forward to no matter where we're going. The comfortable seats and sporty suspension offer up the kind of experience you'd expect from something with 2 doors instead of 4.
We've praised this Mazda 6's powertrain several times now because it really is just so good, but we expect that from Mazda at this point. Now this upscale, near luxury interior, on the other hand, is something they've been focusing on more recently. It's comfortable, easy to navigate, and I think it adds a lot more to the driving experience than we give it credit for.
We're now averaging 27.9 miles per gallon on regular, which is still better than the government's combined rating. Now that the weather is improving, we foresee a lot of weekend road trips in the Mazda 6.